Hello, friends. Quick question for you. How often do you talk about the weather in your own language? Probably every single day, right? Now imagine doing the same in English, smoothly, confidently, like a native speaker. Most English learners know basic words like hot, cold, rain, sunny, but when it comes to real conversations, they feel stuck, shy, or unsure of what to say. That ends today. Welcome to Day 9 of Shadowing English Speaking Practice. In this lesson, you'll learn how to talk about the weather like a native speaker. I'll give you useful sentences, real conversations, and step-by-step shadowing drills. All you need to do is listen carefully and repeat after me. Practice every day, and you will learn English fast. Ready? Let's go. Before we practice, let's understand something important. Talking about the weather is not just small talk, it's a social skill. In English-speaking countries, people often start conversations with the weather because it's friendly, safe, and natural. For example, at the bus stop, someone might say, "It's a bit chilly today, isn't it?" In the office, your colleague could say, "The sun is finally out. Feels good, right?" Even strangers in the elevator often comment on the weather. So when you learn these sentences, you are not just learning words. You are learning how to connect with people, make small talk, and sound natural in English. Now let's practice together. Listen carefully, repeat after me, and shadow my voice. It's sunny today. It's cloudy this morning. It's raining outside. It's really hot this afternoon. It's cold tonight. Now let's make them stronger with feelings. Wow, it's such a sunny day today. The sky is full of clouds this morning. It's pouring outside. Don't forget your umbrella. It's extremely hot this afternoon. I can't believe it. It's freezing cold tonight. Great! Notice how adding emotion makes your English sound more natural. Now shadow this mini dialogue. A. Hi, how are you? B. I'm good, but it's really hot today. A. Yes, I know. I can't wait for the evening breeze. Repeat again, but a little faster. To sound like a native, you need more than simple words. Let's learn natural expressions. Repeat after me. It looks like it's going to rain. The forecast says it might snow tomorrow. It's a bit chilly this morning. The wind is really strong today. The humidity makes it feel hotter than it actually is. I love the crisp air in autumn. After the storm, the air feels so fresh. It's boiling hot outside. It's absolutely freezing out there. Now, let's put them into a shadowing drill. It looks like it's going to rain. The forecast says it might snow tomorrow. It's a bit chilly this morning. The wind is really strong today. The humidity makes it feel hotter than it actually is. Fantastic! A. Good morning. Did you see the weather today? B. Yes, finally some sunshine after all that rain. I know. It makes me feel so much better. Absolutely. I think I go for a walk at lunch. Now shadow again with me, faster. Good morning. Did you see the weather today? Yes, finally some sunshine after all that rain. I know. It makes me feel so much better. Absolutely. I think I go for a walk at lunch. A. Hey, do you want to meet later? B. Sure, but the forecast says it might rain tonight. A. Oh, really? Let's take umbrellas just in case. B. Good idea. I hope it clears up quickly. Shadow again. Hey, do you want to meet later? Sure, but the forecast says it might rain tonight. Oh, really? Let's take umbrellas just in case. Good idea. I hope it clears up quickly. A. Beautiful day, isn't it? B. Yes, perfect weather for a walk. A. I love days like this. Not too hot, not too cold. Exactly. Just right. Great! These conversations are short, simple, and very natural. Now let's do a shadowing marathon. I'll give you 10 sentences, one after another. Listen carefully and repeat immediately. It's such a beautiful day today. It looks like it's going to rain. It's freezing outside. Don't forget your jacket. The humidity makes it feel hotter than it actually is. The weather is amazing, isn't it? I love the crisp air in autumn. It's absolutely freezing out there. The forecast predicts heavy rain all weekend. After the storm, the air feels so fresh. It's a bit chilly this morning, but it should warm up later. Do this drill 3 times. Each time, speak faster. Now let's use weather to tell a short story. Shadow with me. Yesterday morning, I woke up and saw the sky was dark and cloudy. It looked like it was going to rain. I grabbed my umbrella just in case. On my way to work, the wind was strong, and finally it started pouring. Everyone on the street was running for cover. But in the afternoon, the sun came out and the air felt fresh and clean. I love days like that because they remind me that the weather can change so quickly. Repeat again. Use your own imagination and create your personal weather story. Here's your challenge for today. Go outside, look at the sky, and describe the weather in English. Say at least 3 different sentences. For example, it's sunny and bright today. The wind feels strong on my face. It looks like rain is coming. Say them out loud, not in your head. Speaking is the key to fluency. Well done, my friend. You have completed day 9 of shadowing English speaking practice. Now you can talk about the weather like a native speaker. Remember, practice every day. Repeat the sentences, copy the dialogues, and challenge yourself to describe the weather around you. That's how you will learn English fast and sound natural. If you enjoyed this lesson, give it a like, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us create more daily English lessons for you. See you in the next video.